floor plan, high quality office space, intelligent building management. Basically, this is all completely Wi-Fi, high class security. Honestly, this is a 5-star office space. It is a 5-star office space. High speed lifts, so on and so forth. 24 hours security. इसमें जो प्रोवाइड की जाएगी कॉन्सियाज एंड रिसेप्शन सर्विस, मेंबर्स ओनली कॉर्पोरेट क्लब है, जिम्नेजियम है, एग्जीक्यूटिव स्पा है, स्विमिंग पूल है, सिगार लाउंज है, वेलनेस सेंटर है, फिटनेस क्लब है, कैफेज एंड एटीएम्स, व्हिच मेक्स इट अ 5-स्टार ऑफिस स्पेस. अभी तक ऐसा ऑफिस स्पेस कहीं पे भी नहीं आया पूरे गुड़गांव में. एनसीआर में एज इट इज. Well, of course, they talk about the 3500 car park, which is the largest in NCR because of the footfall. Sir, these are the divisions. We are going in for a 500 square feet.
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Yeah.
Now I'll explain the concept. What Brahma says, and I'll talk about the risks, and I'll talk about zeroing the risks.
You can record.
Right. Sir, we are going in for 500.
Should we record it you talk so that we can send it to my son?
Absolutely, absolutely.
You will understand better.
No,
and you can convince better in your language.
Right. So what we'll do here is, so we are talking about a 500 square feet virtual space, which talks about in a particular floor plate. Let us say what your MOU, the memoranda of understanding, would say is it would specify the floor. It would tell you are a proud owner of 500 square feet of virtual space.
Right.
But that virtual space, as you understand, is virtual.
Yes.
It is not a lockable unit.
Yes.
Right? Because the idea over here is that Brahma is going to lease it to some corporate, and you continuously keep on getting a return on your investment. That is your rent. So that is the good part. So what Brahma is doing over here is they're taking away the maintenance charges, because I'll tell you what, in an office space like this, maintenance is a killer. It is a killer. So there are no maintenance charges. So virtual में सबसे पहला फायदा, the first value proposition is no maintenance charges here. Secondly, the entire headache of leasing the particular floor plate is Brahma's. It's not yours. So you can sit back at home and enjoy the market rate, which is there. If it can go to Hewlett Packard, it can go to Citibank, whatsoever. आपको आपका monthly check मिलता रहेगा as per the market rate, right? The best part is about this virtual space. It is a 75 lakh rupee investment, which gives you a rent, assured rent, as PDCs, and it is mentioned in the MOU. जो आप MOU sign करेंगे, 120 rupees per square feet के हिसाब से, they'll start giving you rent from day one, from the very first month.
It is 75. I also read somewhere 75. You are telling me 85.
No sir, it's 75 including EDC, IDC extra charges.
That
will come around 82 lakh.
82 lakhs, but that would be at the end.
That is
That would be end.
This is 5% to be end.
This is
at the end.
This is
for with IDC.
Right.
I have
That's why
prepared.
I gave you clear picture about this.
At the
EDC,
booking
IDC.
time, it is 75. We have to give 10% now.
Right,
Yeah,
and in
right.
month's time,
Right.
And we have
In
to
month's time
complete.
you have to
Right, in
complete
month's time.
5%.
Yeah, and 5% to be paid after 4 years.
yes.
Right.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Understand.
I have prepared the cost sheet for you
right.
with the IFMS, the interest-free maintenance, this thing, security, and the EDC and IDC that goes to the government.
Right.
The total cost of the project by the end of 4 years,
Yes.
the exact cost would come down to be 81,38,113.
Oh, it has come down from 85.
Yeah. I was
Yes.
telling you approximate.
Okay.
That was over the phone, so that is why basically
Right.
I always
Right.
tell my team never
Right.
to explain
Yeah.
the project over the phone.
Yeah.
It's not fair.
Yes.
It's not fair for you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, okay.
आपके total cost है project की 81,38,113
Yeah.
after 4 years,
Yeah.
right? But of course 75,78,000 would be paid upfront in a month's time.
Right.
ठीक है sir? And this is the cost sheet I've prepared for you.
Yeah.
This is only for you. Right.
Okay, fine.
So virtual space में first value proposition, I'll come back to it. No maintenance charge, so that headache is gone. Leasing guarantee, Brahma लेगा for the rest of their life, and it's a prime location. It will never go vacant, because the project has already been sold out. Just to let you know, the 6th and the 7th and the 8th floor have been taken over by a multinational bank already. They have directly gone in for a CLP plan. They've bought the entire 3 floors. It is in a prime location.
But
Of course, the floor will go.
6th floor, 6, 7 and 8, what is it?
6, 7 and 8.
6, 7 and 8.
I'll confirm the floors, but basically a multinational bank has come into it.
Multinational bank.
Right.
It has gone to multinational
It has
bank.
already been booked by a multinational bank for leasing.
Right.
Right. Okay.
Uh,
The best part is about virtual spaces that right from the day you put in your amount, you start getting 60,000 rupees. That is 120 rupees per square
Yeah,
feet.
yeah.
That is mentioned in the MOU very clearly.
Yeah.
You start getting your PDCs from the first month itself till the completion of the project. Completion happens in 4 years. तो आपकी यूनिट, आपने 75 लाख रुपए लगाए, 60,000 रुपए आपको पहले महीने से रेंट आना शुरू हो गया, which is a return of 9.5%.
Yeah.
Right? An amazing thing. After that, Brahma, for your comfort level, is giving a guarantee for 9 years of leasing. It will be Brahma's guarantee for 9 years after that. That means 13 years का rent वो आपको guarantee दे रहा है. It is not an assured return plan. Assured return में what happens is they give you an assured return and they abandon. They are not abandoning you.
Yeah.
To basically get your confidence, they are telling you what, you know what, we'll give you 9.5, you take 60,000 for 4 years every month, and then after that, we will guarantee the leasing for the next 9 years. And after that, of course, the project takes off. Now that would be unfair to ask कि सचिन 9 साल के बाद वो स्पेस होगा या नहीं होगा. सब प्राइम लोकेशन में कभी स्पेस बचता नहीं है. सिग्नेचर टावर्स में एक स्पेस भी नहीं होता आज की डेट में. So that is a scenario. So you're getting a 13-year leasing guarantee. That's the best part. So you're secure. You're secure about that.
Is my copy?
So this is your copy.
This is
The
your
MOU is your copy, right? So that is the best part. If I were to say what is the risk here, all right, you,
So I can keep it.
Yeah.
if you would read the MOU, you are liable to sell your unit at capital appreciation
Yeah.
anytime to whosoever you'd like.
Right.
अगर आप मेरे पास आते हैं, आपने आज 15,150 पे यूनिट खरीदी है, 2 साल बाद, साल भर बाद आपने रेंट एंजॉय किया, एंड आई फील इसकी अगर कॉस्ट 18,000 या 20,000 हो गई, एंड यू कम टू मी से, यू नो व्हाट सचिन, सेल इट फॉर 20,000, यही मार्केट प्राइस चल रहा है, एंड आई टेल यू, मैंने कहा सर, हियर्स योर कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन, आपने 1 साल का रेंट एंजॉय किया, एंड दैट इज फर्स्ट ट्रांसफर इज फ्री, इट विल गो टू द अदर पर्सन. And he'll start enjoying the same benefits. जितने time का period का checks रह जाएंगे, he'll enjoy that, but he'll also enjoy that 9 years of leasing. So it is a clean cut project. Everything has been mentioned in the MOU very clearly. The risk,
Right.
honestly,
Yeah.
the only risk is that would it be leased after 9 years of completion?
Yeah.
That is the only risk, which is very unfair to say.
What is the risk? What's it?
सर ऑनेस्टली रिस्क आई शुड, मैं यही नहीं कह सकता कि जीरो रिस्क है, बिकॉज जिंदगी में जीरो रिस्क कुछ नहीं होता, बट एक मिनिमल रिस्क मैं आपको बताता हूँ. कि आप मुझसे पूछते हो सचिन क्या कंप्लीशन के बाद जब 9 साल की लीज खत्म हो जाएगी, क्या उसके बाद भी रेंट आउट होगा या नहीं होगा? मैं कहा सर गुड़गांव के आप मार्केट, सर मार्केट फोर्सेस आप खुद जानते हो, 9 साल बाद दिस विल बी अ हॉट प्रॉपर्टी. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज द वॉक इन इज गोइंग टू बी सो ट्रेमेंडस, बिकॉज डीएलएफ के साथ इनका ऑलरेडी हाइड पार्क में पहले टाई अप था. एम्पोरियो की फ्लोर प्लेट के लिए ये बिल्कुल एडिक्वेट बैठता है. Like, you know, this is the right place where the next DLF Emporio will come. And once Emporio kicks in, well, sir, you very well know, it is a place for only creme de la creme. It will be a 5-star office space with a 5-star retail environment. Right? So that is the projection. That is the only risk in the project. The best part is, it is a cash-rich FDI, well monitored. 75 लाख रुपए का सर आपका आज की डेट में इन्वेस्टमेंट है. 60,000 रुपए महीना आपको आ रहा है, जो अगर आज मैं नॉर्थ क्लोज में अगर मैं अपनी प्रॉपर्टी रेंट के लिए देता हूँ, 2 करोड़ रुपए का फ्लैट है 2063, उसका मुझे 40,000 रेंट आता है. तो यू वेरी वेल नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. बेस्ट पार्ट इज आई टेल यू हाउ ब्रह्मा इज बुलिश अबाउट इट. अपने रेंट्स के बारे में
I discussed on this point only yesterday.
सर 75 लाख में 60,000 आना, और वो भी 9 साल की, उसके बाद भी 9 साल की गारंटी देना बहुत बड़ी बात है, और वो भी ऑन पेपर. द बेस्ट पार्ट ओवर हियर इज that I was missing the point here. The best part in this particular project is that honestly the only risk is that after 9 years के आपकी property lease होगी या नहीं होगी, वो ब्रह्मा पे आप छोड़ दो. And the answer is 9 साल के बाद सर office space ही नहीं बचने वाला.
Okay, okay. If he does not sell, there is something. Something is comes up, we will sell it out.
Absolutely.
That we are the.
Sir, honestly, the risk is very minimal.
It's
And
a
one more
mention.
thing sir was asking me like.
It's a
after
mention
4
in
years-
member understanding. It's
Yeah.
understanding.
MOU, yes, exactly.
After 4 years, if they are not not able to rent it out at 120 rupees, then what?
No.
So instead of making a registry in the register office, we will have this paper.
Yes, absolutely. The
You
MOU.
signed from Burma and Bestech.
Yes, and you would also have your allotment papers stating that Mr. So and so is entitled as basically an owner of 500 square feet of office space, virtual office space on this particular
It will
floor.
be on the stamp
It
paper.
will be on the stamp paper. Everything will be black and white.
Right.
यहाँ पे सर इन्होंने पहली बार किसी बिल्डर ने
It is notified
Yes.
by notary.
absolutely sir,
Right.
absolutely, it is liable for any kind of any kind of legality. The legalities will be taken care of.
Right.
This is for the first time I've marked it on the MOU. It says 120 रुपए rent.
Yeah.
It is marked here.
Correct.
Right. Now, I'll tell you how bullish they are on the project.
Yeah.
Right in front of this particular project, like adjoining it, MVL has come up with a commercial project The current market price over there is 70 rupees. Brahma, because this is a 5-star office space, is so bullish. At the very outset of the project, they are paying you 120. तो आपको मार्केट रेट से ऑलरेडी 50 रुपए ज्यादा रेंट मिल रहा है. आप चाहें तो MBL में जाके पूछ लें कि उनकी फ्लोर प्लेट का रेट क्या है. 70 रुपए पे चढ़ी है सर, हमने भी चढ़ाया उसको. One of my clients is there in that particular office space. So they are so confident about this 5-star property, they are already giving you an advantage of 50 rupees, whereas the current market rate is 70 rupees. Now, how would it work after 4 years? We feel at the moment, after 4 years, being of course being consultants into this business, the rate over there would be around 200, not less than that. 120 का तो सर मतलब ही नहीं होता. आज की डेट में Signature Towers में sir, I've got 3 clients. Rohit Bal is trying to basically lease out his unit. Sorry, he's trying to buy another unit over there. We can't find him a unit. He wanted to take one for lease. It's not available. So units are not there in that area because it's prime. The best part is, आज की डेट में वो आपको 50 रुपीज ऊपर दे रहा है बुलिश में. हमारा प्रोजेक्शन है 4 साल के बाद ये मिनिमम 200 रुपए की वर्थ होगी ये यूनिट पर स्क्वायर फीट. ब्रह्मा का अरेंजमेंट इसमें क्या है? 200 रुपए में से वो 120 तो आपको गारंटी दे ही रहा है. वो गारंटी दे रहा है 120 रुपए की. उसमें से जो 80 आपके पास बच रहा है, the 80 bucks that we have would be distributed between you and Brahma equally. So that means 40 comes to you and 40 goes to Brahma. But you still have that minimum guarantee of 120 rupees per square feet. It is mentioned in the MOU. It will be mentioned in your contract, and the contract should be absolutely legalized. And whosoever, after 4 years, आप आते हो, आप कहते हो सचिन, हमने इसको 15,150 में खरीदा था. मेरा प्रोजेक्शन है 4 साल के बाद ये 25,000 रुपए की हो जाएगी, कम से कम. ज्यादा भी हो सकती है. मैं कहता हूँ लेट्स कीप अ कंजर्वेटिव फिगर. आपने 10,000 रुपीज का इसमें एप्रिसिएशन एंजॉय किया, ठीक है सर. दैट्स योर कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन. you've enjoyed a return of 9.5% for 4 years, and whosoever I'll sell it to will enjoy that 9 years of lease. A minimum guarantee of 120. Minimum. Our projection, conservative, is 200 rupees per square feet after 4 years. It can be even more. It is an excellent project. एक नटशेल में अगर आपको बताता हूँ सर, लॉजिकली गुड़गांव के आज जो हाल है, 75 लाख रुपए में ना अपार्टमेंट आता, सर्विस अपार्टमेंट बिल्कुल बेकार प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, उनकी कोई आगे फ्यूचर पता नहीं है. कमर्शियल में अशोर्ड रिटर्न आना, एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट आना, आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट हैज एवर हैपेंड. दैट्स व्हाई इट सोल्ड ऑफ.
Right. So
we have an opportunity. We've got 5 units which are just open for the next 2 days, and we are going to close them as soon as possible.
Right.
By Monday, we'll have them closed.
So these are available on 5th floor.
On 5th floor.
All the vacant units what you have at your disposal.
Virtual. We'll give it to you either on the 5th floor or the 6th floor.
Okay.
So I'll tell you what. See, here's the flexibility. No matter where the floor is, the 5th, 6th, or 7th, you can be rest assured that your unit is rented.
Yeah, correct.
And you are enjoying capital appreciation.
Is there any possibility where we can occupy our office and do our business of home?
Sir, right. So there is a possibility. The minimum lock-in is 2280. 3.5 करोड़ की यूनिट पड़ती है सर. 2280 की लॉकिंग एक फ्लोर पे, जो बाकी के फ्लोर है उसमें लॉकिंग भी
लॉकिंग होती है.
हाँ जी सर. लॉकिंग यूनिट्स हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहले लॉकिंग में कोई अशोर्ड रिटर्न नहीं है.
राइट.
उसके अंदर कोई रेंट गारंटी नहीं है.
ओके.
ठीक है सर. और उसके अंदर आपको मेंटेनेंस चार्ज पे करने पड़ेंगे. बट द मिनिमम स्पेस दैट यू कैन हैव फॉर योरसेल्फ इज 2280.
Not less than that.
Not less than that.
Okay, that means it's not.
Otherwise, sir, the theme of the entire project goes for a toss.
Okay, understand. I got it. Rinki, can you tell something what you told me in the early who's Brahma and from the USA based? No,
yes, I'll introduce Brahma to you.
First 2 minutes only.
Right. The first thing about Brahma, right?
Yeah.
Brahma is a foreign direct investment company based in New York, and they've got a fund of $500 million. They have been financiers for DLF, and the proof for that is that they had financed DLF at Hyde Park, at one of their projects called Hyde Park in Pinjore. After the success of that particular project, they got into real estate. They've successfully launched plotting in 61, 62 and 63, and they've launched a successful commercial project there. And what they've done here is they've bought this particular plot directly from Huda, so the title is clear. 3 or 4 years back at 680 crores. They have 65% partnership in this particular project. 35% is with Bestech, so it's a Bestech Brahma project. Bestech comes in with their expertise in construction here, so they are the contractors for this project also.
So
The fund of $500 million comes from a sovereign fund and comes from the pension fund in the US. So they are cash rich.
fine.
That is what Brahma is all about.
So okay, fine. So you mean we have plots of 85,000 per yard?
Yes, sir, I
Of
can-
Brahma in 61, 62, 63.
I can get
that.
you that.
Rinki, you have to show me here the sector.
Okay.
Right.
Are,
Okay, sir.
are,
Sure.
are you prepared to go now?
Yes,
Yeah,
You
yes,
we are prepared.
yes, we are.
Let's-